Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, let's talk about the bonuses which I have to offer. So we are going to give you three bonuses which you can see on your screen. So the number one bonus is going to be free lifetime email autoresponder. And then second is grab cash jacking free copy. And the third one is Forex Profit Machine Beginner's Guide 11,000 words ebook. Okay. I will explain these one by one. Before that, make sure you watch the video till the end because after this review in this video, I am going to explain or talk about the methods which I personally use to make money on the internet, my personal methods. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end. And now if you go and buy this product for which we are doing the review using my link below, which will be saying grab copy here. So that will take you to the sales page. If you go and buy this product using my link below, you will get these three bonuses. Okay, so number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponders. So sign up here and then you will be able to start doing email marketing. You can grow your email list for free and send emails for free for lifetime. Okay, so go and get the first bonus if you buy from a link. Second is kiss jacking free copy 2 hours video training. So if you go below my video again, it says here, right here, grab kiss jacking. So if I click on this is a training program which I sell separately. But if you buy this product, you do not have to pay for it. Okay, I'm giving you this as a bonus. Okay, I sell this separately, but if you go and buy this product using my link below, it says grab copy, then you will get kiss jacking absolutely for free. What is kiss jacking? It is a 2 hours video training in which you will learn how to do what I am doing on YouTube right now or what others are doing. Meaning, if you want to make these reviews and make sales and make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, then you will know exactly how to start on YouTube absolutely for free. Okay. So get your case tracking copy absolutely for free. And the third one is Forex Profit Machine. In case you are curious about learning trading Forex, okay, then this is your 11,000 words PDF, which you can download and read. It is totally for newbies so that you can get an idea what this industry is if you do not know anything about Forex trading. Okay, so you will get these three bonuses if you go and buy from me. So let's do a quick recap. First of all, watch this video till the end so that you can know my methods which I personally use to make money on the internet. And then if you go and grab the copy using my link below, so you will find the link of the sales page most probably in my every video. If not, then it's okay. So go and grab the copy using my link below to get access to these bonuses, free email, free lifetime autoresponder, then kiss tracking copy, and then this 11,000 words PDF about Forex trading as a beginner. Okay, and I will send you the link of this document and then you will be able to access all the bonuses at once. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can always email me. If you are able to, if you have any difficulties in accessing your bonus after the purchase, you can always email to me. Okay, so now let's go and start the review. All right, guys, let's do the review for this ChatGPT Visuals Domination 2.0. So this is the sales page right here. Okay, now I'll show you one thing here. So when I try to get my links, so the vendor is not accepting more new affiliates, which means that I can't get my affiliate link here. So you will not be able to buy this ChatGPT Visual Domination 2.0 from my link below. Okay, but I'll show you my product. Okay, so if you go below my YouTube video and click on more, you will find this thing called check out all my Warrior Plus products. Okay, so whatever I have launched so far on Warrior Plus, you can click here and you can check out those products. The upcoming product is Review to Profit AI by me. Okay, so you will not be able to buy this ChatGPT image. Let me check the name again. ChatGPT Visual Domination 2.0. You will not be able to buy it from me because the links are not available. You can see. Okay, so if you want to buy something close, something related, then you can buy this thing from me called Review to Profit AI. This is my own software which I'm launching on 5th of June. Okay, so you will not be able to buy it today. You will be able to buy it on 5th of June. However, if you want early access and you want to buy before 5th of June, then maybe leave a comment below my YouTube video. Maybe I'll give you the email and you can contact me, or you can find my email in the beginning of the video. Okay, where I was giving you bonus. Okay, So coming back to this ChatGPT visuals, so what does it say? It says create 30 type of stunning professional visuals using ChatGPT in seconds with zero design skills and experience, powered by ChatGPT Image Generator 2.0. Then see, I will not waste much of the time here because I already told you my links are not approved for this product, which means that I can't promote it. Okay, but in short, you can see what you are going to get. You will be getting the small software or the simple software where you can go and give some command, and that software will generate the prompts, and you will paste those prompts into your AI, into your chat gpt, into your other AI program, and then it will generate those cool images, graphics for you. That's all about this chat gpt visual domination. Okay, so rest you can check out on the sales page, and that's all. You can also see the demo video on the sales page of theirs. So again, let me wind this up. So what we got, this is going to be for $17 and 2 weeks of money back guarantee. You can read everything on the sales page. So let's quickly clarify this chat gpt. What is the name again? Visual Domination 2.0 is from this vendor. So nice product. I think unfortunately I can't get my links because the vendor is not accepting new affiliates or more affiliates anymore. Okay, so you will not be able to buy this from me. However, you can go and buy my own Warrior Plus products. Okay, you click on this link, come here and click on this one saying review to profit AI, because what it does almost the same thing. For example, if I show you, it does actually more. It does more. So if you're an affiliate, you want to create reviews for your website, for your, let's say, YouTube video, and you want to create some visual graphics or social media promotion or some email. Let me show you exactly. Okay, so for example, let's say you're an affiliate. Let's imagine for 2 seconds that you are an affiliate who wants to promote this ChatGPT visual domination. Okay, let's imagine that. Let's assume now you don't know from where to start, what to do, man, right? So you go to my software, which is Review to Profit AI, launching on 5th of June, not live yet. Okay, if you want early access, email me and we can talk and see how it goes. Okay, so what you want to do, if you want to promote any product, okay, any product you want to promote, you need to have some content about that. You need to have you need to maybe write a review about that, or maybe make a video like me. Okay, so this software, Review to Profit AI, which is mine, it will help you to do everything. Let me show you practically now. So I'm gonna copy this URL, the sales page URL of ChatGPT, whatever this is I'm doing the review for. I have copied that, and there you go. I have pasted that URL. So you paste the URL or the link of your offer, whatever you want to promote, and the product name. Product name is ChatGPT Visuals. I'll just make it something random. Okay, I'm not gonna just completely type in. I'm just making something random. ChatGPT Visuals. That's the product name. Let's assume. Okay, main benefit is generate high quality, high quality images to convert into sales, right? To convert into sales, I guess. Right. So you can type in the, whatever the benefit or the keyword will be for your offer. Okay. And then in this product type, we can choose anything which we want here. So AI tool, software, MMO, blah, blah, blah. For this, maybe just let's keep AI tool. And then I'm going to click on generate campaign. You see what happened just right now? And this is my software. So affiliate review articles. So you have this prompt ready, which will generate the article for you, which you can publish on your website. And then we have a YouTube script. So this prompt, you type it in ChatGPT. I'll show you exactly how. And then you will be able to know what to say in your YouTube videos. You will have the script, and then you can have your email sequences, five of them, as you can see. Open in ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you all the email sequences. You can create your bonus pages. You can create the content for your bonus page, which you can publish on your bonus page manually. And then you can generate social media promotions, and you can also generate the images for the product. It says here generate 4 AI image prompts for this product, ChatGPT Visuals, the name which we just have typed in here. You see. So let me show you one example. For example, let's say this article, right? So I'm going to click on this. So first one, open in ChatGPT. What does it do? You don't even have to copy anything. If you use ChatGPT, you don't even have to copy this. Don't need to click on copy here. Just click on open ChatGPT right here, and it does copy automatically. All you have to do here is press Control V on your keyboard. So I'm not gonna, right click, left click. I'm just gonna do Control V, and you can see it has already copied and pasted the whole thing into ChatGPT. All you will need to do is that you'll have to press this arrow, and then ChatGPT will give you the article for ChatGPT, the product name, visuals. It will give you the 2000 word nearby article, which you can go ahead and paste on your review website. And when people will read the article and buy from you, you will make money. Do you get it? So that's just only one feature of my review to profit AI. Second is YouTube script. Similarly, you can come here and you just Control V, and then you hit the arrow, and then YouTube will generate the script which you can use to make your YouTube videos. All right. So I think the rest you can go and check out this review to profit sales page, and there's a demo video how the software is going to work in detail. Go and check that out. And that's all about it. So unfortunately, you can't buy this ChatGPT visuals from me because they do not have the links. They don't offer the links anymore for whatever reason. Okay, but anyways, if you still want my bonus, okay, so the bonuses which we discussed in the beginning, case tracking and this and that. Okay, so if you go and buy review to profit from me directly, not from somebody else, from me directly, before 5th of June, you have to talk to me one to one if you want to buy this before 5th of June, or buy or after 5th of June. Then you can personally talk to me and show me that you purchased from me, direct purchase. You show me your receipt, everything, and I'll send you those bonuses as well. Okay, so let's cut the story short, and thanks for watching. And now let's go ahead and explain my methods which I make, which I have been using in these years to make real money online. So watch the video till the end. Alright guys, now let's quickly talk about the methods which I personally use to make money online, and below the video you have to go and check out these links. So this link which says swing like a pro, so if you click on that link and then follow the instructions, you will come to this page right here. So this is forex trading. Not everybody does that. I do it. So in case you want to try forex trading, you can click on that swing like a pro link and come to this page and watch these videos one by one. These are short videos, 2 minutes long, to see how this works or how can we make money with this. And if this is something which you want to try, then you can join my mentorship program. That's method number one, which I do. Not everybody does. Okay, so second link is saying make money on YouTube. So when you click on the second link, then follow the instructions and you will be on this page after that. It is Traffic Jarvis, so your free traffic on YouTube. Because when you come on YouTube, you can make money in multiple ways. You can make money by getting your YouTube channel monetized. For example, when you saw some ads in my video, I make a little bit of money because my YouTube channel is monetized. How you can do that? You can get 1000 subscribers, or these days 500 subscribers, I guess, but you can get 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours just within a month if you follow this training program, and you will get your YouTube channel monetized just within a month, so that YouTube starts paying you for people who will watch the video and the ads. Okay, so you can see I have made this kind of money just by making these videos where people have seen my videos, nothing buying, no nothing. Okay, and also you can go ahead and make sales. For example, you record YouTube videos, and when somebody will buy something from you, then you make sales using free YouTube traffic. Okay, so if you want to go and make a full-time career on YouTube, go and check out this Traffic Jarvis. And then third link says get 100 email leads per day. So this system will give you 100 email leads per day, and you can email them once every day, and you can sell them anything you want, or you can sell them this system itself. For example, if I show you, this is the system I have been using, and I had been making recurring commissions for the number of years, as you can see, never ending. Okay, so if somebody will buy the system from you, you make commissions every month reoccurring. Okay, on top of that, you get 100 email leads per day, and you can email them any offer of your choice. Okay, whatever you want to promote or sell, you can do that, right? So again, go and grab the free bonus email autoresponder here. So let's do a quick recap. We have done the review already. Okay, if you want to try trading, then you can click this swing like a pro. If you want to make a full-time income on YouTube, then click this second link, make money on YouTube, come to this page and grab Traffic Jarvis. If you want 100 email leads per day and email them once per day, anything which you want to sell, then click on this link and join that program right here. And as I told you in the beginning, go and grab your bonus free lifetime email autoresponder by clicking on this link. And if you buy from my link, you will get that kiss jacking bonus we discussed, because kiss jacking is a separate 2 hours of training, as you can see on YouTube. Okay. So if you want to get these bonuses, free email autoresponder and my free 2 hours kiss jacking training, then go and buy this review which we have done. Go and buy this product using my link somewhere here. And that's all for it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.